Welcome back to the mentor. This is data entry project number 18. So we have another data entry project which I got on Upwork. So here is the complete instruction of the client. So he's saying that we are seeking assistance with the transforming data from a specific web page into an Excel spreadsheet. The source web page is so here is the web page, the website where we need to collect the data. Okay, so I will copy, and he's saying that which contain information on a zip code for the state of Texas. Okay, and below here he's saying that extract and organize the following field from the web page: zip code, type, commission, city, country, and area code. Okay, so now let me open the website here. Okay guys, now you can see after searching the URL here we got this data. Okay, now you can see guys there are thousands of data. If I just go down, now our job is to extract all this data and edit into Excel file. Okay, so now I will be showing you how we will collect this all data in a few seconds. Okay, if you want to do it manually, it will take a lot of time guys, because this is not just a 100 or 200 leads, there are thousands of data. Okay, so you can see there are zip code, type with the client instruction like zip code, type for common, city, country, and area of zip code. Okay, you can see type, common, city, then country, then area code. So now our job is to extract all this data. Okay, so to do that guys, we will use a free tool which is instant data scraper. So I will highly recommend you to install this tool if you want to work as a data entry operator on any website, because sometime this tool will also help you to extract the data from any web page. Okay, so in this case I hope you have already this tool which is instant data scraper. You can just simply search on Google and then install this tool. Okay, after that I hope you have already installed the tool. Then you will need to click on this tool. Okay, after clicking on this tool, then you will be able to see that this tool will help us to extract all the data guys. Now look at here, there are 2661 rows collected. Okay, with the help of this tool. Now you can see we got their web page URL, and also you can see their zip code. Okay, and everything is already extracted by this tool for us. Okay guys, you can see, and here is also another table. If you just click here, let's see what we can get if we click here. So guys, this tool also provide you multiple type of table. So if one type of table is not working, then you can click here and try another table. Okay, so I think the other table is not working, the first one is good. Okay, so I will simply click here and remove this. Okay, and then I will refresh the page. Why I'm telling you that guys, sometime when you are working on any data entry project, so when you click on this tool, so the data which you are getting from the website, so sometimes they are not showing in the correct form. Okay, then you will need to change the table, but in this case you can see the data are working very well. Okay, so now guys, we will just extract the data. Okay, now we will just click here. You can see it's mentioned their tool, so just click on it. Okay, and there is no other page guys, the all data are only in the one page, and there are 2661 leads. Okay, so now I will simply click on this. Okay, and now we will do just simply a simple formatting here, and then we will create a data entry portfolio from this. Okay, so if you don't have, I will highly recommend you to also create a data entry portfolio from this project too, because it will just take 1 or 2 seconds for you to create a portfolio from this. Okay, now you can see guys, and these are the data which we get, and first one is zip code. You can see 73301. Okay, and here you can see 73301 is their zip code. Okay, so we will just type here zip code. Okay, and then guys, we will need to type another information which is their type. Okay, so you can see in type here you can see they have mentioned different types. So I will just remove this the first row. Okay, and here I will just click type. Okay, and I will remove the other row. Okay, Now we done this. Now it's time to write another thing, which is common cities. Okay, so just click here, copy, and then we will paste here common city. Okay, and then we will go to the next area, which is their country. Okay, you can see it mentioned country, so we will simply tab here country. Okay, now another leads is area of code. Okay, so this one is the last one. Okay, so now we will go here. Okay, and we will simply area code 521. Okay, so we will simply, guys, paste here the area code. Okay, and now I will just remove the other information which we don't need. Okay, also remove this one too. Okay, and also this one too. Now you can see we got the data in the correct form. Okay, and you can also do some formatting here. Just select this one. Okay, and then bold it. Okay, and also you can increase their size, and also you can just change the color. Now you can see it's looking very good, and there are, guys, 2600. You can see if I just go down, let's look at, guys, there are 2663 data. Okay, all of them. So we just extract all of the data in more than 5 to 6 seconds, guys. Okay, and then you just need to do some simple formatting, like which I did it. So I hope you already understand the process. I will provide you the link in the video description, so just download it and then start practice on it. It's very simple. As I mentioned before, you will just need to install this tool. Okay, and after that just click on it, and then you will be able to select all the data, and then you can just simply download the file. Okay, the zip file, and then you can simply do just simple formatting, remove unnecessary data which we don't need it, and then it will be good. Then just save. So the process are very simple. I hope you understand. So I will recommend you to create a data entry portfolio for yourself from this project too, and then save it with yourself, and then you can. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.